Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tudaj Mahendra from Bina Sarana Informatika University with NIM 19250207. And today I will be doing a presentation for my middle test project. My first presentation is what is hardware. Okay, in this first part, I will explain about computer hardware. Computer hardware is the part of a computer that can be seen, touched directly, and also hardware function is to help the computer work and carry out user commands. Below here is example of computer hardware. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU is the example of computer hardware. Okay, type of hardware. Computer hardware divided into some categories. The first one is input device, second one output device, third one processing device, fourth one storage device. Input device. An input device is a device used to enter data or commands into a computer. The example, keyboard for inserting word and data, mouse for moving pointers, scanner for scanning picture or a document, microphone for inserting a noise or voice. Output device. Output device are a device that used to display the result of computer process. Example of output device is monitor, showing picture or screen, printer, print a document, speaker, a device that convert electrical signal from computer into sound wave, and a projector, an output device that takes image or video signal from a source and display them onto the surface. Processing device. Processing device are used to process data that entered into a computer. The example, CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the primary brain of a computer responsible for executing instruction, performing calculation, and managing data flow for all software and hardware. GPU, Graphic Processing Unit, is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate memory to and accelerate the creation of image, video, and 3D graphics in the computer. Motherboard, the primary printed circuit board in a computer, acting as the central hub that connects all hardware components such as CPU, RAM, and storage, allowing them to communicate and receive power. It acts as the backbone of the computer determining system. Storage devices are devices used to store data and information. Example of storage device is hard disk, a non-volatile electromechanical data storage device used in computer to store and retrieve digital information, such as operating system application, and user files. SSD, solid state drive, a high performance non volatile data storage device that uses integrated circuit or flash memory to store data persistently and retaining it even when power is off. A small flash disk, a small portable data storage device that uses flash memory with a integrated USB interface. It is used to store backup data and transfer file between computer and other device without needing internet connection. RAM or memory is a computer short-term high-speed data storage that store data app for active application and the operating system that the system can access to it quickly, acting as temporary workspace that clears when the power is turned off. Function of hardware. Computer hardware has several functions: entering data into the computer, processing data, displaying processed result, storing data and information, and also all hardware works together to ensure the computer function properly. Okay, is the end of my first presentation. The first part is hardware, and the next part is software and operating system. See you in the next presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sudaji Mahendra from Binasarana Informatika University, class 19, 2A, 28 with name 19250207. And today I will be doing my second part of my English middle test project. The first part is hardware, and the second part we will learn about software and operating system. In the first part, we will start with what is software. Software is a program or application used to run a computer, and also software cannot be touched directly but can be seen on a computer screen. Example of software is operating system, application program, and utility program. Software has several functions. The function is managing hardware operation, executing user command, helping user complete tasks, display computer result, and also without software, a computer cannot be used. Type of software. Computer software is divided into several types. The first type is system software, second one is application software, the third one is utility software. Each type has a different function. System software. System software is software used to manage the operation of a computer. Example of system software is operating system on computer, operating system on laptops, operating system on the other digital device. Application software. Application software is a software used to help user complete specific tasks. Example of application software is word processing program, symbol processing program, presentation program, and internet browser program. Utility software. Utility software is a software used to help maintain and protect computer performance. Example of utility software is antivirus, disk cleaner, data backup program. And also, utility software helps keep your computer running smoothly and free of a virus. Operating system or OS is system software that manage computer hardware and software resource and provide common service for computer programs. Function of operating system. Operating system act as an intermediary between program and the computer hardware, although the application code is usually executed directly by the hardware and frequently makes system call to an OS function or is interrupted by it. Operating systems are found on many devices that contain a computer, from cellular phone and video game, and also web server and supercomputers. Type of operating system. In this slide, we will learn the example of operating system. From Windows, we can see from Windows 19.5 to Windows 7, and also this year we have Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 12. For Linux, we have Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME, KDE, Mac, and from Mac OS, we have Mac OS Classic and also Mac OS X. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening this last part of my English midterm project. This is the last part for my project. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.